As for individual stocks, look, we mentioned what happened to food-related sector stocks. The food sector, it still broke the line. It has been broken for 3 days. Here we have a concentrated volume push-up. Generally speaking, if you look at it like this, it doesn't really look like a bottom pushed up here. Looks like a bottom. Here is a false breakdown reversal. Yes, with a false breakdown reversal, there will be a rally. Because of the false breakdown reversal, there is a saying. For example, a bottom reversal normally will break above previous high. Normally breaks the previous high. It broke the high here, just missed a bit, but the breakdown point was passed. Like this one passed it with volume, but later it showed volume price divergence. So here we have a turn into bearish candle. This isn't important. Continuous push-up. Maybe you don't understand this part yet. The point is, after pushing up with these volumes, it actually broke the line. The danger is right here, the whole structure. Regardless of what happened above, the danger is here because the break is confirmed. Who is breaking the line? Who pushed this volume heavyweight stock, Uni-President Enterprises? Uni-President, okay, identical to that food stock. And then this push, what is this? This is institutional investor holdings. It is dropping. Dropping is one thing. Dropping isn't the most dangerous part. As I said, look at the chart pattern. The pattern shows a broken line. On say the line breaks. Where is the resistance? The upper edge of the consolidation zone. These high-performing stocks are breaking down now. Long-term high-performing stocks. Look at LNHWA Foods. LNHWA Foods, this broke the line long ago. This is a breakdown with volume. So the entry for shorting is here. Right here, those who learn how to short would know right the breakdown short entry is here. LNHWA Foods, this was this year. We were talking about that this year, just when we were discussing the bear strike alert. False breakout during the bear strike alert. First short entry, second short entry. These food-related sector stocks, these are all food stocks. What happened yesterday, we mentioned Charawan Porkfand and that. Another one, I forgot which C. Watch yesterday's show, all of them. You must short stocks that just turned weak, like what we said yesterday. There were two right at the start. Look again, like MediaTek stuck with banker pass chip to retail investor breakdown. Among high price stocks, its PE ratio is relatively low, but the market tells us it has problems. See that share price break below keyline. See, what is the resistance? The upper edge of the consolidation zone above the line. This is Dafon Electronics. Dafon, of course I am showing you this. What is this again? This is lightning rod volume. Lightning rod volume. Here the line is broken. Yes, broken line here becomes a pressure zone. Lightning rod volume appeared before. Try to avoid stocks like this. Not necessarily something will happen, but try to avoid it. The probability of trouble is quite high. Okay, like Medigen vaccine biologics early in the year. Initially, stock price limit up, limit down here. But the problem is it is only one bar. It consolidated for some time. Medigen vaccine biologics. This is the masterpiece of collusion between the government and business. The masterpiece, I won't say which administration. You know it yourselves, this masterpiece. Fully supporting Medigen vaccine biologics. The result is this. See one bar after another. So in the past, I should be July last year, July 2024. At that time, I said my favorite short is Medigen vaccine biologics. Stocks like this, including PowerShip semiconductor manufacturing. What is that? Back in July last year, here, July 2024. Last year, right here, dropped heavily, 24 down to 13. It is relatively low, but this PowerShip semiconductor manufacturing, you are sick of this story. That Chairman Huang Ren. What reputation is rotten? It stinks. PowerShip semiconductor manufacturing was played by him like that. So it is the same. Then like that, what we just mentioned, Medigen vaccine biologics ends up breaking the line. See all single bars one by one. This kind of stock. Be careful with this. The vaccine era is over. I don't know what is left to support, okay? That is the Taiwan stocks part.